When my mom and I visited England years ago, I wasn't aware of the different voltages at that time and didn't have a travel adapter. But I'm not gonna lie, when I realized I couldn't plug in my phone charger adapter in the outlets, I had a slight panic attack. Hey guys, I'm Crystal Amanda, and in today's video, I will be sharing my recommended Amazon finds for traveling. And they will range between tech, to safety, to convenience. They're gonna be in no particular order, and everything will be listed in my description. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting off with the most important item, and that is a carbon monoxide detector. So after I posted my Holy Grail Travel Essentials video a little over a month ago, one of my subbies asked if I travel with a carbon monoxide detector and if I can recommend one, which made me realize that I don't. And just a few weeks and months prior to that, tragic news stories were released about tourists passing away from carbon monoxide poisoning in both Airbnbs and non-Airbnbs.
The families of 4 tourists killed by carbon monoxide poisoning in 2 different Mexico City vacation rentals demanding answers.
This can't happen anymore.
Authorities say Americans Candace Florence, Jordan Marshall, and Cortez Hall were all found dead in their Airbnb rental on October 30th. Authorities say they arrived at the scene to find the bodies of the 3 friends, all dead from carbon monoxide poisoning. That same weekend, just a few miles away, another death from carbon monoxide. 29-year-old Angelica Arce was staying in a non-Airbnb vacation rental with her siblings, Andrea and Marco, when they started to feel sick. These deaths just the latest in a disturbing trend among vacationers. In May, 3 U.S. tourists were killed by carbon monoxide poisoning at a sandals resort in the Bahamas. Not all rental companies mandate that their properties have functioning carbon monoxide detectors. The victims' families now calling for more regulation.
So the carbon monoxide detector is battery operated and comes with 2 AA batteries plus mounting hardware in case you want to mount it to a wall. So thanks again for that comment because it brought awareness and reminded me of the importance of carbon monoxide detectors. And it doesn't only have to be an Airbnb. If you're staying at a hotel or a resort, I still recommend to pack one. The second travel find is a universal travel adapter. When doing research for your trips, verify the voltage that's used in the country you'll be visiting, because certain countries use different voltage outlets and you'll need a universal adapter to charge your electronic devices. Now, of course, if you forget to purchase one before your trip or forget to pack one, you can purchase one when you arrive at your destination, but it could be a little pricey. When my mom and I visited England years ago, I wasn't aware of the different voltages at that time and didn't have a travel adapter. Luckily, it was either the lamp or the clock on a bed end table that had a USB port, so I was able to use that to charge my phone. But I'm not gonna lie, when I realized I couldn't plug in my phone charger adapter in the outlets, I had a slight panic attack. The third travel find is a portable charger. I talked about this in other videos and it's a must-have. Just think, when you're on vacation or traveling, most likely you'll be taking photos, recording videos, tuning into social media, using your WhatsApp, using travel apps, and more, which will eventually drain your battery. So with a portable charger on hand, you'll never have to rush back to your hotel room to charge your phone. And what I really like about this is that it charges really fast, so you don't have to wait hours for your phone to charge. It also comes with a protective pouch and USB charging cable. The next travel find is a portable Wi-Fi. This is perfect for rural areas or areas with poor Wi-Fi, or worse, no Wi-Fi or power outages. You can either insert a SIM card or purchase packages right off the GlocalMe app. It doesn't come with a protective pouch like the portable charger, but it does come with a USB charging cable. The next travel find is a portable battery bank. Unlike the portable charger, this battery bank can charge heavy-duty devices like laptops, and is also useful during power outages, or if you're just not in an area to charge your devices. It comes with a travel case and 2 USB charging cables, and is also good for home use. In addition to the outlet, it has USB ports, so you can charge multiple devices at once, like laptops, phones, tablets, cameras, pretty much anything portable, so it's very convenient. The sixth travel find is a portable mini fan. When visiting a tropical or warm destination, a portable fan will help ease the heat when walking around town or doing any foot tours or excursions or simply relaxing poolside or at the beach. It has 2 fan speeds and comes with a USB charging cable and can easily fit in your pocket or bag. The next travel find are packing cubes, which are also mentioned in previous videos. Packing cubes will help you pack more organized, can help reduce the chance of overpacking, and if your luggage gets selected for secondary inspection at the airport, everything will remain neatly organized. This is a 6-pack, so you can pretty much fit everything you need for your trips. The 8th travel find is a reusable stackable water bottle. This is good for on the go, whether to the airport or during your trip, and minimizes the use of space in plastic bottles. The lid screws off for easy cleaning, and when empty, you can stack and tuck away in a purse or backpack. The next travel find is an Apple AirTag. Whether checking in luggage or traveling with a carry-on, pop this tracker inside so that you can track its every move. Now I say carry-on luggage because there could be instances where you may have to check in your carry-on due to no more room in the overhead bins on an aircraft or for certain basic economy tickets. It comes with one 3-volt lithium battery, and the battery should last about 1 year. And when it's time to replace the battery, your phone will alert you. For Apple users, pair the AirTag to your phone via Bluetooth connection and you're done. The next travel find is an Apple AirTag holder, and this is more for convenience. What I like about this is that you can hook it onto anything inside your luggage, making it easier to find and reducing the chance of losing it. And if you're traveling with a group or family and doing separate activities, you can hook it to your purse, strap, belt loop, anywhere on you for safety measures, just in case. You can never be too safe. The next travel find is an AirFly Bluetooth connector. This is used to connect your wireless earbuds to the airplane jack to watch in-flight entertainment or listen to music. Personally, I'm team wired earbuds because they don't need charging like wireless earbuds, and if you're not careful, it's easy to lose wireless earbuds. For example, one earbud or both could fall on the floor and roll underneath a seat, or get stuck in between seats, or you may forget that you placed it in the back seat pocket in front of you. It comes with a travel pouch and USB charging cable and can benefit those who prefer wireless earbuds. The next travel find, I believe this is number 12, is a portable luggage weight scale. This is useful for when you're checking in luggage. So before heading to the airport, weigh your luggage first to make sure it's not overweight, because if it is, you'll have to pay an overweight fee, which isn't cheap. It comes with a 3-volt lithium battery, has a blue LCD backlight, and weighs in pounds or kilograms. The next travel find is an electronics organizer bag. Whether you're a content creator or not, this is so useful. I not only pack my portable charger, Wi-Fi, and travel adapter in this, but all of my charging cables, portable fan, door stopper alarm, door lock, I think pretty much anything that's non-toiletry. It has 2 sides and many compartments that you can customize. So speaking of door stopper alarm, this is the next travel find on the list, also mentioned in previous videos. This is for extra security when you're in your hotel room, loft, villa, etc. It takes a 9V battery, has a sensitivity adjuster on the side, and has an on and off switch in the back. But be careful with the 9V battery, because I believe it must be in the door stopper in order to pass the airport security screening. Otherwise, TSA may discard the battery. The next travel find works hand in hand with the portable door stopper alarm, and that is a portable door lock. This comes with a travel pouch, and when installed, it jams the door in the event someone tries to enter or break into your room. Here's a quick video on how they are installed and function. And these are good for all travelers, solo travelers, couple travelers, or group travelers. Okay, if it's one thing that you pack before traveling, it's bed bug spray. And this is the next item on my travel finds list. Like the carbon monoxide detector, this is another never leave home without it item, because one of the first things you should do when you arrive at your hotel room or Airbnb is check for bed bugs. And what I like most about this brand is that it's scent free. Next up on the travel finds list are refillable travel size scent bottles, which are also mentioned in last week's video. With travel size scent bottles, you don't have to pack your entire bottle of perfume or cologne when traveling. Plus, if you get a multi-pack, it's perfect for traveling with a variety of scents. Keep in mind that when traveling with a carry-on and you pack a full-size bottle of perfume or cologne, you'll either have to throw it away at the TSA security screening or go back to the check-in counter and check in your luggage. I can't stress the TSA 311 liquid rule enough because it never fails that every time I travel, I witness travelers having to throw away liquids that exceed 3.4 ounces. Well, that is all I have for today's video, and I hope you were able to find some helpful travel finds for your next trip. And let me know if you use any of the travel finds that I shared, or if you have any other recommendations. Before you go, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!
C'est ça qui commence la pagaille. Imitation, c'est ça qui commence la pagaille.